So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to my layers palette and click on layers. And from here, I'm going to turn on the visibility of the title guides layer. I go down here to title guides, and I can pull this out so you can see it a little bit better. So I pull that, and then I see title guides, and I'll turn that on. And then the guides show up where I'm going to be able to place my text, type in some text here for the title, the student name, and the university. If you hold your space bar and drag your screen, you'll see that this is the text that you can copy from. So I'm going to go over to my toolbar, click on the type tool. I'm going to highlight the title bar text. I'm going to copy that by going to edit copy or Command C, Control C. When I have this text, I'm going to come right here to this guideline and click from the corner, top left corner, and drag all the way to the right corner down here and let go. Now it's going to fill with text, but that's okay because we already have our text loaded into our type tool. So we'll just go to edit paste or Command V or Control V on the PC. So I paste that in, it's there. I can highlight it again. These boxes are only guides, so they don't print, and they're locked, so you can't mess this up. Now we start to format this thing. So we have to go back over here to our properties palette, click on properties, and we're going to change the settings here, change the title to 96 and the name and school to 60 point. So we'll go down to the point size, change that to 96, press enter or return, go to this area, highlight it, change that to 60 point, enter, return, and then we'll select the whole thing again and basically center it with my paragraph palette there. We center it, and so this part is 60, this part is 60, and that part is 96. Now we can make it bold by selecting it, and this is where you come in with your fonts here. So this font, we can change the style to bold or even black. And then I'll change this style to bold. And then I'll change this style to maybe a semi-bold. Okay. Now I still want to get this down into the boxes here. So I'm going to select them all. I can simply take my text box and I can move it around, and basically I'm just going to move that text box down just like that. Just move the text box down, make it bigger or smaller. You can nudge it with your arrow keys. So I'm going to nudge that down a little bit, and there we have it. And I'm going to take this text while it's selected, go over here to my fill palette, and I'm going to click on that black color and turn that to white. Okay, then I go back over here to layers, go to title guides, turn the title guides off to see what it looks like, click off to the side, and that looks good. So I'm going to place that. So I'll turn title guide on, go up to file, place, and my files are inside project images, barcode, place. And so I'm going to just click right here where this arrow says click and drag right up just like that. And I let go. Click off to the side, hide my title, and my top header is done.